Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to highlight text in publisher table. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video, I will show highlight text in publisher table. Now we're going to formula option, then click for shape option. Now select from rectangle shape. Now draw a shape, rectangle shape in the table text. Now go to the shape fill option. Now choose from color. Now click for again shape outline, then click for no outline option. Now click for wrap text option, then click for none option. Then again click for send backward, then click for again send backward. That's it. Now you can say highlight text publisher table is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.